Inside Sergio Perez's awesome car collection. Mexican racing driver, Sergio Michel Pérez Mendoza, born 26 January 1990, currently races in Formula One for Red Bull Racing. He made his debut during the 2011 season driving alongside teammate Germany's Sebastian Vettel at Race Show 11, where they finished third behind winner Jenson Button of Britain Auto Race Series fame, who went on to victory that year, winning many more prestigious events throughout 2012 such as 2020 Supercar Grand Prix, earning him first ever win. Perez, who has previously driven for Sauber and McLaren in Formula One racing as well other teams like Force India or Racing Point, is currently driving with Gene Haas's outfit defying expectations by finishing 10th out of 12 runners this year so far. He also won his first Grand Prix at the 2020 Supercar race, breaking records set before him since 190 starts, which made it all worthwhile, especially considering how close he came to not taking part after being hospitalized just days ago following an accident during qualifying, where another car sped into theirs causing substantial damage, but luckily they're fine now, thanks only God. McLaren P1. The McLaren P1 is a cutting-edge, carbon fiber sports car with an engine that produces over 900 horsepower and torque to make it go from 0-60 miles per hour in 2.5 seconds. This luxury vehicle costs $1 million, though, so buyers might want to think about how much they're willing to spend before purchasing one for themselves or their loved ones this holiday season. The McLaren P1 is not just any other car and has a price tag that will make your eyes water, but it also has some of finest handling characteristics out there. The mid-engine plug-in hybrid technology makes this vehicle fast enough to keep up on those tight turns while delivering an impressive amount of power from its electric motors for long distances without having needlessly gas pellets rolling around inside or outside your cabin area during drive time. Thanks again, pure EV motivation powering all three axles through corners at high speed. In 2013, the P1 was introduced to mark 50 years since Bruce McLaren's first Formula One race. The car utilizes hybrid power and F1 technology, but does not have 3 seats like other cars in its class. It instead has an all-new layout that sets it apart from competitors such as Ferrari or 918 Spider with their 2-seater configurations, making this vehicle quite unique among high-performance roadsters available today. Mercedes-Benz SLR McLaren. The Mercedes-Benz SLR McLaren is one of the fastest, most powerful and luxurious sports cars in existence. It has an engine that delivers 617 horsepower with 575 pounds-foot torque to its rear wheels via a 7-speed transmission, making it possible for this beastly machine can go from 0-60 miles per hour within 2 seconds. With top speeds reaching 208 miles per hour or 318 kpm, you'll never need another vehicle again when driving on performance mode. A supercharger provides added power while reducing lag time between shifts thanks its intelligent technology, which also helps optimize fuel consumption by constantly adjusting all 7 gears according what conditions are present at any given moment, so there's no unnecessary wear. The SLR McLaren is a vehicle that combined the performance and handling of German-made cars with British elegance. The company has been producing them since 2003, when they were first introduced to market by Mercedes-Benz subsidiary organization McLaren Automotive. In 2005, this model grew more powerful thanks in part from upgrades introduced during production, which increased its power output up another 50 horsepower or so per liter, while also tweaking some aerodynamic specs, all without sacrificing any creature comfort whatsoever. Honda NSX. The 1995 Honda NSX is an instant classic. It's powered by a 3-liter V6 engine that delivers 270 horsepower and 210 pounds-foot torque, making it the most powerful mid-engine car in its class, with acceleration from 0-60 miles per hour taking only 5.7 seconds. With top speeds over 168 miles per hour on roads or track alike, you'll never need another vehicle again when driving this legend. The cost? A mere $84,500. The first-generation NSX was designed by a team of world-class designers, artists and engineers to be the ultimate driving machine. The car's sleek aerodynamic shape is inspired by fighter jets like F-16s for its increased performance. It also benefited from input given during final stages of development thanks Ayrton Senna, who passed away before he could see this project come fruition. Honda's sports car was born. The NSX became the world's first mass-produced vehicle with an aluminum body and powered by Honda's 3-liter V6 engine that featured their new tech system developed in 1980s, which allows variable valve timing as well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe